Welcome to Every Shade of Purple. I got a real quick video for y'all. It is one of those headband wigs I've always wanted to try on, so hold on, let me get it because I left it. The Amazon store that I got this is from Youngther. I will tag the link below. This is 18-inch natural hair color. I don't usually do straight hairstyles, but I figured, well, let me just try it. Okay, it comes with a weaving net. That's nice. And okay, here it is. Very straight, very shiny. I'm not, you know, it's synthetic hair. This is the headband that it comes with. And this is the hair. I said I did open this before and then because I was gonna do the video and I didn't do it. So, I mean, it's kind of shiny because my edges might not match it, but I want to put a little bit of my edges out. But this is it. Comes with a black headband, okay? Has a Velcro on it, like so. It has a comb in the front, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back to secure the wig. I guess there's no adjustable strings, but that's okay because you can tighten the headband once you put it on your head. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull my hair to the back. Gonna use my Argon Oil Eco Style Gel. This is Max Hold number 10. Okay, got the edges laid. I'm gonna put the net on. Now, so I'm gonna leave a little bit of the edges out because I just think that's just better. I'm gonna secure the wig right in front, and I might have to adjust this. Flip my head back. Get them clips. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I do have a big head, so let's see. Ooh, okay. Okay, just work it over that hump in the back, I mean, this is for the lazy days, honey. This is for the days where we're not trying to do too much. Secure it in the back with the Velcro. Oh, I like that the Velcro goes all the way out because there you go, Velcro it over. So it's given very, I think it's okay to throw on. You definitely have to put the headband over it, so I'm gonna do it. But if you put dry shampoo, which I don't have, it might take down the shine a little bit. But this was only $20. So it's a look, all right. It's a look. And then when you dress it up, you put some makeup on, let me put the headband on, and let's see if this changes the game a little bit. So this is a cute little headband, you know, it's definitely my kind of vibe. I wouldn't do the black, just the black because of this, not unless you flip it back like so, which, okay, yeah, that works. You flip it back. It gives me like 60 vibes. That's also probably because my head is not all the way braided down, but if this is supposed to be easy, you shouldn't have to braid your hair down. And if you have thinner hair than me, then you don't have this problem, okay? And voila! I'm about to do my makeup real quick, so this is gonna change the vibes, but I think it's cute. It's giving real quick, get your hair together vibes. If y'all want to see what it looks like in the back, this is what it looks like. I can kind of feel the tracks, and then there's this bump in the back. If I had more time, I would just maybe braid my hair down in like 3 or 4 braids. But I say get this if you want something quick, easy, and cheap, honey. $20. $20. The only thing that I don't like is I don't like the shine. There's ways to get around it. It's not that thick, so it's not heavy, but if you want to join your Zoom call and look like you got your hair done, honey, okay? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me it's a cheap wig. It just looked like I got oil sheen in, okay? This is definitely good for the Zoom call vibes, okay? And the slick edges, okay? I definitely feel like you should slick your edges. I mean, I could pull it up so you see. That's not my style. Just slick your edges so it looks like you have some hair. Hey, so, ooh, once I got my makeup done and my edges laid, honey, I think this is really cute. I think this is a good buy. I think it's easy, it's cheap, and it's cute. And then without this colorful headband, you have just the black. I just think this is everything. I look good, honey. I would definitely wear this out if I didn't feel like doing my hair. All I have to do is my edges, and I didn't even braid this in the back. This is 10 minutes, 5 minutes. One more thing, I just want to give full disclosure. I already took my thing, but the way that it's cut, I don't know what they were going for, whether it was like the one-sided. I tried to put this back. I made sure that the clips were in the right place. But still, it's just this weird kind of cut. I don't think it matters. I think it looks less fake without but like some of it is blunt and some of it's not. So it's just like, just so you know, that might be a thing if you order this wig. I think, like I said, it's $20, get it. Definitely need to be done up for it, but this is just not, yeah, this is kind of, so, okay, back to the regularly scheduled program. Thank you so much for tuning in to Every Shade of Purple with me. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Definitely, if you buy off of Amazon from the company, let them know who sent you. Thank you so much. Bye.